Hey everyone, I've got this awesome chicken coop here from VEVOR for an unboxing and review. First thing I did was pull all the pieces out of the box and start getting the very first foundation framework all laid out so I can snap it together. These things are all quick disconnects, so they're super easy to put together. This is all galvanized steel, so it won't rust on you. After we get that snapped together, we're going to take the upright pieces and snap them in vertically. There's a corner one. Put this on like this. On over to the middle here, we're going to put this one. It's going to go like this. This is our piece twos, right here and right here. So we connect it over here. Now we're going to do this one here. Come into this one. Now for the door. So we're just getting the door pieces all laid out and snapped together. These things just clamp together with these clamps there. In this bag, there's the hangers for the top of the door and the latch as well. So the latch just goes in there with a single bolt. Really easy to install. And those are the hangers for the top of the door. And we'll get it centered and bolted in. Just like that. Once you get it centered, go ahead and crank it all the way down. Now they've got these permanent screws here that you have to drill in. They're self-tapping screws, so they're super easy. You don't need a drill, but a cordless drill helps tremendously. So go ahead and permanently install those once you get them into place. And there's a couple to install on the overhead of the door as well. Now we're just going to take our wire mesh and wrap it all the way around the coop and secure it with these zip ties here. So there's also a tarp that comes with it that provides extra shade for the chickens, as you can see here. Well, here's progress so far. Almost done. Just got to finish putting the chicken wire all around it and over the top. Now I'm taking the chicken wire and putting it up here, and I'm cutting it this way. Now I'm putting one across the top. I don't know if you can see it, but I got a length of it right here, and it goes almost all the way up. So now I'm going to do it across the top. Well, here's the finished product, and we are super happy with this thing. This is going to work great for our chickens. Well, the chickens absolutely love it in here. They have a nice, safe spot to put them. Very happy about this thing. What a great product. Easy to assemble as well. This door latch, we can walk right in here.